RG101 PRO Professional 8K GPS Drone, 2-axis gimbal, laser obstacle avoidance, 3000 range, brushless motor, FPV 5G Wi-Fi quadcopter. Experience professional-grade aerial photography with the RG101 PRO Drone, a feature-packed, high-performance quadcopter designed for creators, explorers, and drone enthusiasts. This advanced aircraft combines an ultra-clear 8K photo camera, 2-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS plus GLONASS dual positioning, and laser obstacle avoidance, giving you complete control and stability in every flight. Whether you're filming stunning landscapes, scouting locations, or just enjoying FPV exploration, the RG101 PRO delivers precision, power, and next-level performance. Camera with flash capture every detail with 8K Ultra HD photography. Equipped with a high-resolution 8K photo camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, the RG101 PRO captures vivid, lifelike detail from every angle. The 2-axis mechanical gimbal ensures reduced shake and stabilized imagery for cinematic results. Photo resolution: 7680 x 4320. Video resolution: 1920 x 1080 at 25 fps. Camera tilt: 90 degrees adjustable via transmitter. 2-axis gimbal stabilization: smooth, stable aerial footage. Wide field of view for expansive landscapes. Whether you're shooting real estate, nature scenes, or personal vlogs, the RG101 PRO captures content that impresses. GPS plus GLONASS dual positioning system. Enjoy high-precision flight stability and intelligent features with built-in GPS, GLONASS dual-mode navigation. Fly further and safer with smart flight modes that make aerial filming easier than ever. GPS Follow Me mode, 10 to 15 meters range. Point of interest orbit mode, 4 to 20 meters radius. Return to home, RTH, on low battery or signal loss. Waypoint navigation via app map. Hovering accuracy for indoor-outdoor flight. Laser obstacle avoidance for safer flying. Advanced laser obstacle detection helps prevent collisions during flight. The drone intelligently detects objects in its path and adjusts its route or hovers in place, providing a safer experience, especially in complex environments. Ideal for urban flights or tight spaces. Great for beginner pilots or automated filming. Extended range FPV and control. Stay connected and in control with 5G Wi-Fi transmission and long-distance remote control. Control range: up to 3000 meters, 3 km. Wi-Fi image transmission: up to 1200 meters, 1.2 km. Real-time FPV via mobile app. Stable signal with reduced lag. Brushless power plus efficient flight. The RG101 PRO uses brushless motors for a quieter, more durable, and powerful flight experience. Combined with a 7.4 volts 3800 mAh high-capacity battery, you'll enjoy. Flight time: up to 28 minutes per charge. Charging time: about 3 hours, via USB 5V. Smooth handling with strong wind resistance. Perfect for longer aerial sessions and demanding environments. User-friendly remote control and features. Remote battery: 3.7 volts 500 mAh, rechargeable. App support for FPV viewing and smart flight modes. One key takeoff, landing, headless mode, emergency stop. Foldable and easy to carry, the RG101 PRO is ideal for creators on the move. What's in the box? 1 RG101 PRO Drone. 1 remote controller. 1 7.4 volts 3800 mAh battery. 1 USB charging cable. 4 spare propellers. 1 screwdriver. 1 user manual. 1 carrying case, depending on package. Why choose the RG101 PRO? Real 8K photo capability with gimbal stabilization. Laser obstacle avoidance for added safety. GPS plus GLONASS for precision flight. 3000 meters control range and 1200 meters image transmission. 28-minute flight time on a single charge. Foldable, portable design with pro-grade features. Perfect for creators, travelers, vloggers, real estate professionals, and drone enthusiasts who want professional performance without the professional price.